John Brown was born May 9th, 1800 at Trojan, Connecticut, but grew up in Ohio. His parents pushed him into believing in the Bible and hating slavery. Then he married in 1820, having 13 children. Then once older, he took his 7 sons and killed 5 men who wanted slavery. John Brown formed a plan where he had a group of 22 men that went door to door killing those who wanted slavery. He wanted the slaves in the southern states to be armed so they can rebel. John Brown had captured Robert E. Lee, the federal arsenal to arm slave rebellion, but he had failed. Once he failed, Robert put out wanted signs for John Brown. After John Brown was taken, he was sentenced to be hanged on December 2nd.